Personal social relations. Parents should be frequently involved in school activities and they can check their children's progress in schools. So, the relationship between the teachers and the parents should be such that the parents can regularly come to the school and find out about the progress of their children. This can be made in a very informal way, which is possible that the parents are, when they are coming to pick up their children, and if they have any concerns, they can informally ask the teachers and the heads if the heads and the teachers are available in the corridor or the playground or some place near the gate where the parents they come to pick up their children, and if they have any concerns or queries, they can always meet the school head or the teachers or the administrators in order to find out the solution or find out about the progress of their children. It should not be made always a formal meeting for the parents to come and meet the school head or the teachers, because in a formal meeting more time is wasted and more time is invested. Rather, for talking informally to the parents, the heads and the teachers can address many issues in lesser time, and it can become a sort of an understanding between the head or the teachers and the parents to be talking to one another in a very informal way, and especially those concerns which are minor and parents are just asking for some information, they should be encouraged to come to the school and ask the teachers or the heads about any information that they require. The personal social relations need to be in place in order to have good achievements in the school, and the school would be running in a very smooth manner if the personal social relationships are kept in place. For example, teacher and teacher relationship. All the teachers, they respect each other and they have a good understanding with one another. They all are confident that if they need some help and support, the other teachers will be able to give them, and there will be no critical sort of comments on their asking for help, and there will be no bickering about it. Rather, the behavior will be very supportive and helpful for anybody who needs any help. The teacher-student relationship. The teacher-student personal social relationship needs to be really good so that the student is encouraged to ask any questions that he wants to ask his teacher. The teacher should be able to help the students, and if there is something where she needs further help, she can always get that help from her colleagues or her boss or the head teacher. The teacher-student relationship must be based on a lot of respect, and the student must be aware that how is he going to address his teacher. Mrs., Miss, Madam, whatever is appropriate and is accepted by the teacher should be addressed by that label. Student-student relationship. The student-student relationship means that all the students are in harmony with one another, and if they need some help or advice from each other, everyone will be able to give it, and everyone will welcome that and support everyone who is in need of any help. Along with that, more opportunities and varied approaches to instruction are provided in the school, and assessment may play a mediating role in creation of positive school culture and high academic achievement. Also, in order to have high academic achievement, there should be more opportunities for the student, for the teacher, for the parent, for the school staff to get involved in activities and look for different varied approaches for instruction, different methods to instruct the students. If they do not understand by one method, the teachers should be able to make it clear by using another method. And still, if the student cannot understand, the school administrators can suggest some way of making it easier for the students to learn. Also, the parents can help the students to make clear any understanding or any concept that is becoming difficult for them, and the school staff and the administrators are unable to solve that for the student. This can be communicated by the teacher or the head to the parents, and the parents can help the students to understand the concept. So that means this sort of an understanding and this sort of relationship and this sort of personal social relations would be creating a very positive school culture which would lead the school to achieve high academic results.